IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Why do you think people read newspapers? Band 5. Answer.
People read newspapers because they want to know what happened in the world. Also, maybe for entertainment. I think newspapers are important for learn things.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas. Pauses implied. Limited development. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Repetitive. Grammar. Errors in tense/structure. Pronunciation. Understandable, but not precise. Typical of Band 5. Limited detail plus some errors, plus basic communication. Band 7.5 Answer.
I think people read newspapers mainly to stay informed about current events. Some people enjoy the political and economic sections while others prefer lifestyle or sports. It's still a convenient way to get information, even though many people now use digital news.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, well-organized, natural delivery. Lexical resource, good range, political, economic, digital. Grammar, mostly accurate and varied. Pronunciation, clear and generally natural. Typical of Band 7.5, control plus range plus minor slips. Band 9 Answer.
People read newspapers to make sense of the world and to form opinions about issues that affect their daily lives. Newspapers don't just present facts, they curate stories, provide expert analysis, and shape public discourse. Even as digital platforms dominate, newspapers retain credibility and depth that many readers still appreciate.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, fully developed, seamless, nuanced. Lexical resource, precise plus sophisticated. Curate, discourse, credibility. Grammar, fully accurate plus flexible. Pronunciation, native-like clarity and stress. Typical of Band 9, complexity plus accuracy plus depth. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.